Okay, howdy. I'm going to show you guys how to do the, I guess I call it the peacock. I think maybe some call it the fire and ice fold. So what you do is you take your fabric. I'm going to try to do it towards the camera so that you guys can see it from your end. Fold it in half. And then like on this one, I'd probably fold it in thirds so that you get kind of an even. Now this is where the kind of the fun comes in. Here, I'll do this brown line. So there's two different styles. If you do a line that is like, kind of like that, you're going to get, and you pleat up that line and then you dye it, you're going to get more like flame patterns. But if you do it, well, this isn't that straight, but we'll get close enough. But if you kind of come up here and do it like this, a little more squiggly. You don't want to get too close to the edge over here. And then what I'm going to do is the pleat thing that somebody was asking about. I don't sew it, but I just pleat it up this line. I'm going to do this one sort of quick. Okay. I don't know how to speed everything up, but I'll just pleat it. Boom, boom. What to do. All right, so I'm doing that kind of quick, but so you get this kind of interesting little zigzaggy pattern in your fabric. Try to straighten that line up. From here, you'll do a rubber band. Of course, I don't have one handy right now, so I'm just going to hold it, and then I'm going to draw the dye line. So what you're going to do is you've got these cool little parts here that kind of stick out. So I want to be sure that I draw a line here, come up. So I make like a little triangle pattern. And so from here, you dye everything on one side. I use these little needle tipped bottles, and they work amazing to get that dye right in where you need to. So I've got my reds and my yellows. I'll dye on one side. I like to have the reds or the yellows kind of come over here. So I do the reds and yellows on one side, and then I do the blues and purples on the other side. And then after you've done the dye, you've made your like little dye lines, you just kind of stripe them in there. So like, I mean, it's okay if I mess this one up, but you're going to really get it in there. Your blues, and then you're going to go orange and yellow. And then here, I've done a blue. You're going to do it much better than this. And then you go in here and you do your turquoise down to more blue and purple kind of on the end. I hope that kind of helps a little bit. I'm just going to open this up just to kind of see if it did anything, just for the fun of it. Oh yeah, look at there. Boom. A little hard to see, but you're starting to kind of get the pattern. Okay, that's it.